Okay, I'm using kneaded eraser people for you to show. Oh, okay, I just have to decrease. I cannot really decrease size, so in this video tutorial I will show you what type of kneaded eraser I'm using. Sorry people, I just have to zoom in a little bit. Why I'm using kneaded eraser, this thing helped me to remove some ugly bad marks on white canvas when I drew sketch people. For example, I created my character and this was very handy to remove bad ugly marks from my canvas. After performing that operation, I almost have clean canvas because sometimes it is impossible to avoid bad marks. I try to adjust my lens. I have to decrease, I have to change some settings so you can see what I'm doing. Kneaded eraser. Okay, this is my sketch, what I drew, but for now on, I will zoom in a little bit. I think I will move it to light source, my kneaded eraser, so you can exactly see what I'm using. From Faber Castell. I hope this video tutorial was useful for you, and that type of eraser is like Play-Doh. I only use for removing bad fingerprints when I use white canvas, for example here. Wait a minute, because I will have to attach my sketch to that metal clip. I have to make separate video about that thing, what I use to draw sketches. Okay, let me to zoom in first, and I will show you. You can see we have bad ugly mark here next to the flower. When I gently move, that mark should come off. Now we don't have bad mark. Don't worry about shadows. You should be fine if you gently touch canvas. This will not erase your shadows. What this thing does, it cleans up white canvas when you left lots of bad marks. Because of that, I will be using to draw my sketches. I hope you liked my video tutorial, people. Have a nice evening. I have to be quiet because people went to sleep.